Folks, this is James of Unofficial American Cowboy Country. We're here at SMU. We're trying to do a follow-up video. Looks like this part at least is done. We'll kind of cross the street and get a better shot. They got most of the brickwork done. I don't know why they still have all this the scaffolding up. I mean, it looks really good. I mean, each of those got the little Mustang symbol. Just trying to figure out, looking at that glass. They put a double pane on there for to block the wind, or I don't know what they're doing. Okay. Over here's done. Well, that looks good. That looks really good. I like that. I knew it was going to look good when they were. And it matches the architecture of the other parts of the stadium as well, but it's a little bit newer looking. Which is good. Alright. I'm going to go around the corner. Get that. That looks really good. Nice. Very nice. Really good. Well, we got a good shot of the inside. It's coming. It's starting to look real good. It's starting to look like the final form, and like I say, it's gonna look real good. I think I don't know if I 100% agree with them going to the ACC, but hey, they're going to have Florida State here in September, so that I think is going to be really cool. I want to go to that. So anyway, if you are new, please hit like and subscribe. I do apologize for not putting as much content on as I'd like. I'm going to try to get the large stadium video done tomorrow. It's been done for a while. It's just it's going to take a lot of editing and putting pictures of things from previous videos all together, but I've been a slacker and I apologize, but we'll get that out soon. Anyway, and I think what I'll do tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's my birthday, I will ask my better half, who's at the SMU bookstore right now. It's a little warm. She didn't want to walk around, but that's all right, you know. I'm gonna ask her to we'll do all 8 videos in one shot. I want to talk to you about this potential 80-team Super League and what it would look like. And I honestly think if you look at the different matchups that they could bring back, I think it has potential to be really good for college football. So, but we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching, and God willing, we'll be back here in September to watch Florida State at SMU. I think that'd be really cool. So until tomorrow, hope you have a great day. Bye.